Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is telling the time. We'll talk about the o'clock times. This is a clock. We use the clock to measure and indicate time. There are numbers written around it from 1 until 12. Its hands are pointing at specific numbers. The size of its hands are different. There's a short hand and a long hand. The short hand is called the hour hand because it tells the hour. We read the hour hand by the number it's pointed to. The long hand is called the minute hand because it tells the minute. If the long hand is pointing to 12, we say o'clock. In today's lesson, we'll focus on the o'clock times only. If we read the time shown on the clock, we look at the short hand first. It is pointing to 3. So, we read that as 3. The long hand is pointing to 12. So, we read that as o'clock. Therefore, the time is 3 o'clock. We can also write this way or this way. The hand of the clock moves clockwise, that is, circularly to the right from a point taken. Let's practice. Let's read the time. First, look at the short hand. It's pointing to 1. Then the long hand is at 12. So, the time is 1 o'clock. We can also write it as 1 o'clock. What's the time? First, look at the short hand. It's at 6. Then the long hand is pointing to 12. So, the time is 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Let's draw the hands of the clock. The time is 6 o'clock. We draw the short hand at 6, then the long hand at 12. That is 6 o'clock. The time is 12 o'clock. We draw the short hand at 12, then the long hand at 12. That is 12 o'clock. The time is 9 o'clock. We draw the short hand at 9, then the long hand at 12. That is 9 o'clock. Now that you know how to tell the time to the o'clock, it's your turn to answer the following exercises. Let's do this! What time is it? Five o'clock. Ten o'clock. 8 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Which clock shows the correct time? B. A. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next episode.